How to start a YouTube channel and make $10,000 per month. Everybody wants to be a YouTube star and earn millions just like that. But how do you actually start it? In this video, I'm going to show you a comprehensive tutorial on how to start a YouTube channel and make $10,000 a month. I will reveal a smart and efficient way to make money on YouTube from day one without the visual way to get monetized. Whether you are a beginner or experienced creator looking for new strategies, you will learn how to bypass the typical hurdles and start earning immediately. Make sure to stay until the end, as I will also share exclusive bonuses to accelerate your YouTube journey. Step 1. Pick your niche. Imagine you are about to start a lemon stand. You will not just set up shop anywhere. You will choose a spot with lots of thirsty people, right? The same logic applies here. You need to choose a niche where people are actively searching for content. Think of it like a popularity contest. Some topics just naturally attract more viewers and higher paying ads. If you are starting fresh and want to make money right away, go for niches like make money online or health. So here are a list of the top and highest CPM niches on YouTube: finance, make money online, technology, health, investing, travel, legal, insurance, makeup, marketing, real estate, cars, movies, DIY, tutorial. Before I forgot, CPM means how much you earn per 1,000 views. Low CPMs like music are barely $1, while high CPMs are at least $10, some even $20 to $50. But what's make a niche a good choice? Look for areas where you see a lot of engagement and interest. Check out popular channels and see what they are doing. Are they getting a lot of comments, likes, and views? If so, that's a good sign you are on the right track. Also consider your own interests and expertise. If you are passionate about a topic, it will be easier to create content and stick with it all the long haul. You're not sure about the niche you are looking for? We have a video about the top 10 niches that will make you $10,000 a month. Make sure to watch this and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Going back, step 2, plan your contents. Once you nail down your niche, the next step is planning your content. This might sound overwhelming, but it's straightforward. Aim for at least 30 videos idea to start with. How do you come up with those ideas? Simple. Look at what are already popular, search for video in your niche and sort them by the most popular upload from the past 6 months. Take notes of those that have over 100,000 views. That's your first 15 ideas. For the next 15, use tools like vidIQ to find top keywords in your niche. Those keywords are like secret data that help you know what people are looking for. Why? Imagine you are brainstorming for a school project. You will look at the best project for previous years, right? The same applies here. You are looking for a successful video and figured out what made them work. This research will give you a solid foundation of content idea that have already proven to be popular. Step number 3, creating your content. First, you need to set up your channel. This one easy and straightforward. If you are watching this, you probably already have a Google account. Creating a YouTube channel is just a few clicks away. If you need a detailed video that covers all the key steps, comment below and I'll make it just for you. This will be crucial because a well-optimized channel can attract more viewers. Anyways, for your logo and channel art, use Canva or Snapper. They have tons of templates that makes this step super easy and it's free. Now comes the part where many people get stuck: creating your contents. But don't worry, I have got you. If you are using stock-based contents like channels such as Brainy Dose, you will see a lot of stock clips. Websites like Storyblogs offer unlimited stock content for a low monthly fee. If you are on a tight budget, check out Pixabay or Pixel. They are free but have fewer options. For video editing, here are some top tools: CapCut, OpenShot, Shotcut, and if you are got some budget, go for Power Director or NVIDIA AI, which come with built and stock content. If you prefer whiteboard animation, try Video Scribe. For animated video, go with Animaker. And if you are leveraging fair use content from YouTube, any free editor will do. For thumbnails, Snapper is again a great choice due to its variety of templates. Step number 4, monetize from day one. This is what you are waiting for: to earn money, and the best way to earn is to pair your channel with a high commission product. This is where many people miss out. Now, find digital products on sites like Digital Store 24 or ClickBanks. Sign up, pick a product related to your niche and start promoting it. Aim for products that offer $250 to $500 per sale. Let's say you are promote a $1,000 $10,000 course and get a 50% commission. That's $500 per sale. Even with a few sales a month, you could be making serious money. Some content creators make over $10,000 from affiliates with just around 50,000 views. Imagine the potential if you promote high commission products. Step number 5, upload and improve. Now, once your videos are ready and you have got your affiliate link set up, it's time to upload and start earning. Consistency is key. Aim to upload at least 3 videos a week. If you manage daily upload, even better. More channels start to gain traction after 30 to 60 videos. Remember, YouTube is a long game. Your videos can continue to bring in views and money long after they are uploaded. But once you are there, you can make money even on your vacation. That's the power of YouTube. Consistency is like training for a marathon. You don't just run once and expect to win. You train regularly, build up your stamina, and keep improving. The same goes for uploading videos. The more consistently you upload, the better your chances of building a loyal audience and getting noticed by the YouTube algorithm. And to really take your channel to the next level, use your analytics. Look at audience retention graph to see where viewers drop and where they stay engaged. Cut off the part where they drop off and do more of what keep them hooked. Check your click-through rates, CTR, for thumbnails. If a video CTR is below average, which is 5%, swap out the thumbnails for something better. Keep repeating this process and your channel will continually improve. Bonus, let me ask you one thing. How often have you seen videos that seem spammy and provide no real value? It's all too common right now. Imagine you could create content that generally stand out and keep your audience coming back for more. Here is the secret. Focus on giving value either through education or entertainment. It's easier than you think. One method is to check the comments. Look at what people love the most about those videos, then incorporate those elements into your own content. By cherry picking the best part, your video automatically becomes the most valuable resource on that subject. Now, let's talk about making money. Promoting product is a great way to earn, but not all affiliate programs are created equal. Forget about the Amazon affiliate program where you earn just a few bucks per sale. Instead, aim high. Find products that offer payout of $250 to $500 per sale. This way, you are not just making money, you are making serious cash. Here is the harsh truth. Most people give up way too soon. They think they will upload a few videos and start raking in millions overnight. That's not how it works. Be realistic. Commit to uploading 30 to 60 videos before you even think about quitting. I had several TikTok accounts that fell because I did not stick with them long enough. The one that succeed are the one I stay consistent with. So promise yourself you will stay committed. Trust me, it's worth it. Now, ever feel like you are just guessing what might work on YouTube? Here's the tips. Don't look at what your competitors are doing. See what's working for them and figure out how you can do it better. Whether it's making your video more valuable, optimize them better, or creating high-catching titles and thumbnails, there's always room for improvement. The key is to continually refine your content based on what already proven to work. This is probably the most crucial tips. Don't give up. Even the biggest YouTubers out there had to upload hundreds of videos before they saw real success. It might be tough at first and you might not see immediate results, but keep at it. Just a few years ago, I almost got broke because of the pandemic. Now, I have the freedom to travel the world and live life on my own terms. If I can do it, so can you. Before you actually start doing those, you first need to choose the right niche. Don't worry, I have this video ready for you. I'll see you there. Thank you for watching. If you find this video very helpful and informative, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to the channel so that way you can stay updated, and hit the notification bell so you can be the first person to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Are you still there? Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Peace.